water. I thought it was throwing water out of it.
Condensation? What are you talking about?
Well, maybe it wasn't water. Maybe it's just chaff.
Oh, yeah,
falling
out of the
through.
barn. That's what's making me nervous about shooting it.
Right? Yeah.
Just look here.
Yeah,
Look
with
up
me
here.
too. Yeah.
See where the tractor used to drive in the center of the barn?
Oh yeah.
The tin?
Yeah. Oh wow.
We put a row of tin up, and you look at it, it's got a soot mark, because her grandpa always said, them little sparks are going to set this barn on fire.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, it runs and moves, the clutch, I mean.
Well, what I've been doing is looking at it.
Yeah.
You know, and it's a bad place because you got all these good lights, but you got this in your worst light.
You want me to try to get that mower started and back it outside?
Yeah, it wouldn't hurt. I'd feel more comfortable. This is my kid's college money. I keep investing for him, you know.
Let me see, this is dead. I didn't think that was going to start.
I was going to say, but it's got gas. You better hurry up. It may not have gas. Are you going to be able to get past that? Do we need to scoot this over?
Yeah. Let me move some of this stuff.
It ain't that bad. I'm trying to do it one-handed because I want
am moving
This
forward.
dang thing shuts off if I do almost nothing. This camera on this. You push and I'll pull. You did more pushing than I did pulling.
Here, I get it.
Oh wow, that's not bad. What is it? Aluminum or stainless?
Stainless, yeah.
It's light.
Yeah.
So did he take your mini bike?
Yeah.
Oh, so you can't back out of it.
No, like I just told you, like I just sold it and I loaded it in the back of his truck and he told me that.
Oh, I didn't.
Yeah.
That part I didn't catch. You had already loaded it. I thought he said it after you agreed, and I just said, all right, no.
No, I already had it loaded in the back of the truck.
Oh my God.
And he's just like,
Oh, what a jerk. What a jerk.
all right, let me get this thing back out.
Okay.
If I back this thing out and you want it, I can hook to my
I'm
trailer.
probably going to take it.
It'll go right
Even
on.
though it's against my better judgment. I just sold one and made a little, but it's gone now.
Oh.
Do you have your valve on?
Now look.
Well, no.
I just knocked off the freaking
Oh.
positive.
Yeah, well, that,
Okay, it's right here on my clutch pedal.
huh? Well, it felt good. The clutch felt good. Oh, geez, I had my finger in front of the camera the whole time. What's that? Get the hose? See, I'm getting water. Something's spraying me with water here. It's under that, oh, it's clear under the deck. It's clear under that back runner. We got to pick it up. Holy cow, look at that coming through. Ugh. Whew. Rubber up. Oh. Up, up, up.
I think y'all laid it for the warm up part right now. Or maybe I should take out third gear and put it in first.
Yeah, that would work. Yeah, that would work too. Yeah. Well, you showed me what I wanted to see. You don't have to rev it in gear. Just put it neutral and rev it. It was really smelling smoky in there. That's.
I'm not saying that the carburetor's adjusted right.
Well, no. I'm just making sure that it ain't blowing oil. That's the only thing that concerns me.
All right.
Because it was pretty smoky in there, but it doesn't look like it is out here.
No, and I blew all my barn clean, didn't I?
Well, you don't. I wouldn't pull it back in there for nothing, or you're going to have a barn fire. That stuff was falling when you were backing out. Sounds good. I'm game. Yeah, I'm game. You know, and because if it turns out it's so bad I got to part it out, at least I can get my money out of it. I might have to wait a while. Yeah. But.
Well, if you want it.
I want it. I'll take it. I'll take it. You want to bring it tonight?
Well, I'm just saying, I got it out.
I got the money.
Let me grab this trailer if you don't mind. Help me get my goose down.
No, I don't mind. My pants. I've lost 80 pounds in a year.
I lost 40.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
What'd you do?
I just quit putting everything in my pie hole. When I was hungry, I would just quit. Like instead of eating, my wife would make cookies. Instead of eating 18 cookies, I eat one.
Don't eat bread.
Oh, I don't eat bread
anymore. I lost 20 pounds in a month. I'm diabetic,
Yeah.
And